good people? Huge shout out to all Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2023 IONIQ 5. Today we're introducing the 2023 Hyundai IONIQ 5. This particular model wrapped in a gravity gold with a matte finish. For the length 182 inches, height 63 inches. You have a wheelbase of 118 inches with a ground clearance of 6.1 inches. This particular model have a dual motor with a 239 kilowatt lithium battery pushing out 320 for the instant torque, 446 for the total range, 300 for the MPG highway, 98 city, 132. Let's hear the sound of this. You have sharp body line throughout the whole vehicle with flush doors. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch digital cluster gauge with EV technology. On the left you have your MPH with your battery percentage. On the right you have your power with your miles to charge. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, where you can go through your driving info, compass, recharge, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. The buttons on the left side of the steering wheel are your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your drive mode. On the right side of the steering wheel are your smart cruise control with stop and go alongside your highway driving assist with your lane following assist. The buttons on the left side of the steering wheel are your interior dim with your traction control with your trunk release alongside your auto hold with your electronic parking. Looking down on the door pane, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your Shifttronic bezel. This particular model is a single speed reduction gear. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch high definition touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Blue Link. You have your EV start stop button. This particular model is a keyless entry. You have your traditional radio shortcuts with your dual climate control. In the cubby area, you have your USB with your 12-volt outlet. You have your cup holder area. In the center floor area, you have your 2 USB with your wireless charging pad. Now we're making our way inside the center console. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect with your Blue Link. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats. You have 2 more USBs in the back of the vehicle. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. You have air vents. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Now we are making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 27.2 cubic feet, with seat area measuring at 59.3 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. You could put a couple of 50-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Hall Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2023 IONIQ 5. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.